What's going on, everyone? This is your boy, Lou the Thai Dude. Happy 2019. Happy New Year to all you, to all my subscribers, all my followers who are watching these how-to videos. I haven't been posting in a while since my previous explanation video. And I also mentioned Stan Lee, who unfortunately passed away. For all of us comic book and Marvel fans who grew up watching these films, he's going to be in our hearts. Excelsior. Before I get on to the Eldridge knot, which is what I have right here, I'm going to discuss some things that are expected for 2019 on this channel, of course. More videos and of course some, like, at least one or two travel videos if possible, if I can. Of course, I'm working on my Dallas trip. I'm deciding whether I should split it in half, part one and then part two. So I'm still working on that. Bear with me. It's the trip from February of 2018. What I'm also expecting to do, there's a high school team in which I have a feeling they're going to need chaperones. So I hope they ask for me. I hope they do, because, I've never done such a trip with them. With that said, let's now discuss the So for the Eldridge knot, you need to have the wide end shorter than the narrow end. So for the wide end, you're going to need to have it like at your belly button. So once you finish tying it, can end up like between your belly button and your belt line. Enough said. With that said, let's just get started. What you're going to need is to take your opposite hand from the wide end. Take the top of the wide end, cross, and then dimple it, bring it to the center. Take your other hand and cross the narrow end in front of the dimple. Now you're going to bring the narrow end behind it, and then take the narrow end through the loop and bring it to this side. Now let's make a mini Windsor knot by crossing the narrow end in front. There's your mini Windsor knot. Okay. Now you can now take the narrow end again through that loop, and then should end up like this. Now take your finger, so that way you can leave like a gap to insert this through that, in through the gap. All right. Now bring that around behind that area. And now once you've done that, you're gonna insert it through the gap. So make sure that this bottom part, this lower part, is showing. Alright, now this piece, I'm going to take it through here and then do the same thing as we did. But it's kind of reversed. See, there you go. Now it's starting to look like an Eldridge knot. Alright. Alright. So you see this piece? You're going to hide it underneath the loop. Alright. So there it is. You could just, with opposite hand, if you're lefty or if you're right-handed, doesn't matter. You you can take this or pull it up. Alright, then by all means bring the color down. Alright, so this is how you tie your Eldridge knot. Of course, you can do it with any color, but it has to be a solid color. It can't be like stripes or crosses or anything like that, or patterns, anything like that. It has to be strictly a color tie. Solid, you can have it with like tiny like patterned dots, but not patterned crosses or stripes or anything like that. It wouldn't look good. It's highly recommended that you have a solid colored tie. I have pink. It's what I preferred, honestly. I know it's too late for pinks for breast cancer season, but I preferred it anyways. And one more thing before you head out with this nice looking tie. You can put your coat on if you have it. Alright guys, this will be it for this video. I'm not going to promise you that much for 2019, but I will sure try, certainly try. Well, with that said, thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like and a comment down below and subscribe to this channel. This is Louis signing out. Peace out, y'all my favorite people out there.